so we're going to go ahead and start with our day 2 spiral review. And we're going to look at number 1. It says select all the measurements that are about 1 inch long. So remember on a ruler, there's 12 inches in a foot, so things that are about 1 inch long. The length of a quarter is about 1 inch long. What about the height of a classroom? Think about how tall your classroom was. Could you even reach the ceiling?
I don't know.
I'm going to say no on that one. That's way bigger than 1 inch. The length of the tip of your thumb. So just that top part right there. My ugly thumb.
I love your thumb.
That one would definitely be about 1 inch. The height of a student desk. What do you think, Miss Hancock?
Oh, that's pretty tall. I think that's more than 1 inch. So.
Definitely.
So
Ooh,
no.
what about the height of that water bottle?
Well, that's pretty tall too.
Yeah, that's way bigger than 1 inch as well.
Yeah.
So we only should have chosen A and C for number 1. All right, moving on to number 2.
Which angle is acute? Isn't acute like that cute little angle?
It is. That means it has to be less than 90 degrees. Let's write that out here. Less than 90 degrees. What makes a 90-degree angle, Miss Hancock?
Isn't it like an L?
Ooh, it is. And I see one that looks like that.
I see that too.
90 degrees. So that one cannot be an acute angle. It has to be less than that. So is this less or greater?
Oh, that's greater.
Okay, what about this?
That's definitely smaller than an L. That's definitely acute.
Acute. And then what about this?
I think that's bigger than a 90. The one above it is a 90 degree, and if it's bigger, you said it's obtuse.
That's right. So that's obtuse, obtuse. We have a right. So the only answer is B. All right, number 3. What is the value of 2 4/10 in decimal form? Well, when we look at this, we know our whole number is 2. And then we have to put our decimal, and we like to think of tenths as dimes, right? So if we have 4 dimes, we have 40 cents. So that's like saying 2.4 or 2.40. Either one would be acceptable. And then in your grid, you would need to write it just like that. So 2.4. All right, 2 more to go.
Number 4. Susan has $63. She buys a pair of pants that are $13. Shirts cost $12. What is the largest number of shirts she can buy?
Multi-step problem. All right, so what's important?
That she has $63?
Yes.
Okay. Her pants are 13. She buys a pair, so that's 1 pair.
Okay, so we probably should figure out how much money she has left.
Yes.
What would we do?
I would subtract.
Okay. So we know that 63 minus 13 is $50. That's how much money she has left. Now what?
Well, now her shirts cost $12. So she has $50. I'm wondering how many she can buy.
Well, 1 shirt would be 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 2 shirts would be
24,
3 shirts,
36,
4 shirts.
48.
Ooh, and if we buy another one, we're going to go over that 50, right?
Well, we couldn't. We don't have enough money left.
So it looks like we can buy 4 shirts. Yay! All right, last one. Fill in the circles to match the name of each number with its numeric form. So we have 203,000. What do you think, Miss Hancock? A, B, or C?
I think it's B because the 2 is in the 100,000s place, and the 3 is in the thousands place, the 1,000s place.
You are correct.
Yay!
All right, what about 200,003? Is that D, E, or F?
I think it is D.
And why?
because the 2 is in the 200,000 place, and the 3 is in the ones place.
You are correct again.
Yay!
All right, so we're going to go into our lesson now, and we're going to take a look at a vocabulary. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this next video. Give me a second to get it there.